recover old Yahoo email account. So if you want to recover your old Yahoo email account, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser. After opening your browser, so according to the Yahoo policies, if you sign into your account within 30 days of closing it, your account will be reactivated. So in order to reactivate or recover your account, you just have to sign in to your account, to the previous account, with the email ID and the password that you have. And after that, just verify with your recovery information like your email address. And after that, just go ahead and create a new password and click on continue. And your old Yahoo account will be recovered successfully. Or if you want to locate a forgotten Yahoo ID, then you can go with the sign in helper and then enter one of the account recovery items listed in the sign in helper and then click on continue. Follow the instructions given in the sign in helper and you will be able to locate your forgotten Yahoo ID and then you'll be able to recover your old Yahoo email address. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.